Hey, paper crafting friends, thanks so much for joining me today. Today we're doing the giveaway drawing. So there were just two videos this month in the June Kiwi Club collaboration. So we've got mine and we've got Jody's. So I am going to go ahead and grab my video link. We're going to put that in the comment picker, and we'll see who our first lucky commenter is. So I had 26 comments this month, and we're going to go ahead and start that. Laura Rurka says, very striking layout, love the cityscape technique. I can always count on learning something new when I watch you. Thanks for sharing. That's a very sweet comment. Thank you, Laura. Let me get you into the Wheel of Names. Laura was in the Wheel of Names last month. She's a lucky one. So I'm going to go back to the video. Let me grab Jody's address for her video. We'll go back to that comment picker. And grab those comments. And she had 25 comments on her video this month. Nice job, Jody. And here we go. And the comment winner on hers is Heavenly Hazel. Very cool use of placemats. I have made many tags that I have put in pockets or under photos, etc. for extra photos. Genius use of the placemats to make the larger tags to do the same. Awesome. So that was another really sweet comment. So thank you, Hazel. Let me get you in there. Heavenly Hazel. All right, so we've just got the two names this month. Ladies, you've got a 50-50 chance. Good luck. There we go. All right, this month's lucky winner is... we will be in touch about the prize. And I just want to thank everybody for tuning in this month. Keep your eyes open for our July video. That kit is so cute. I don't have it in my hands yet, but I've seen the idea book. So anyway, hope you guys have a great time, whatever you're up to. I know 4th of July is right around the corner, so hope everybody's doing something fun but safe. So see you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.